Hey there, and welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a community on the Roblox app using your Android phone. Communities are a great way to connect with other players who share your interests. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your own. Open the Roblox app on your Android phone. Tap on More located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Communities. Tap on the Create a Community button. Enter a name for your community that reflects its theme or purpose. Write a description that clearly explains what your community is about. Upload an image that will serve as the icon or profile picture of your community. Choose your membership setting. You can allow anyone to join automatically or require manual approval. Click Confirm to create your community. Note that this feature is not free. You must have at least 100 Robux to complete this process. That's it. Now you know how to create a Roblox community right from your Android device. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Roblox tips and walkthroughs.